those data were paper-based or Excel-based, which led to they had quite significant monthly budget, and those mistakes meant significant financial losses. So we started with them with a workshop, data readiness review, as we usually do in such situations. And based on our findings, we proposed them a solution. How can we help them to automate everything they do, create a proper cloud storage, data processing pipelines, and so on. Once everything was approved, it took us around 8 months to create the system. And now I'm happy to say that they work with zero mistakes, taking decisions. Everything works quicker, more efficient, and the customer is happy.